Hello everyone, welcome to the KonnectzIT platform. So in this particular video, we'll be working with two applications. The first one is Book Like a Boss and the second one is going to be Zoho CRM over here. So what exactly we are going to do in this Connect is we are going to capture the leads via the appointment page that we have on Book Like a Boss, and we are going to add them as contact into Zoho CRM. So how exactly we are going to integrate these two applications via KonnectzIT, we are going to see a step-by-step tutorial for that. So to start with, we have to start with the authorization of applications first. Since Book Like a Boss is basically a webbook application, we needn't have to authorize it. So here I'm directly going to authorize the Zoho CRM. I have to click on add an account. So Zoho CRM basically needs an OAuth-based configuration. I have to give the access of the account and then the authorization of Zoho CRM will be finished. So here I have to mention the account first and then I have to accept. So yes, as you can see, the authorization of Zoho CRM is finished now. Now it's a perfect time to go and click on Create Connect, which will take us to the Visual Flow Builder where we'll be working on a connect here. So now we are going to drag and drop the trigger, which is Book Like a Boss. So since it's a webbook application, I have to choose the required trigger. So since with available ones, I'm going to use a new booking here. I have to copy the URL and I have to follow the instructions which are given with the webbook application to place the URL at the desired spot. So for that, I have to go to the Book Like a Boss dashboard, and here I have to go to the booking pages, then redirecting to the appointment page. So this is the appointment that I've created already. So here I have to go and edit this. And at the top, as you can see, we have an option for webhook. So we have to place the webhook here. And yes, as you can see, the webhook has been updated. Also, you have to make a note of the trigger that you're going to use here. Since I'm going to work on the new booking, so I have to use the trigger as created here. Now, it's a perfect time to capture the webhook response. So I have to click on view the page, which will take me to the booking site here. Before that, I have to click on capture webhook response on KonnectzIT so that it's ready to capture the response, whichever I fill in right now. So I have to choose the day first. Then I'm going to choose the respective time and have to fill in the information here. And just click on book here. So yes, as you can see, the booking has been placed here successfully. Now we just have to wait for it to replicate here. So yes, as you can see, it has been replicated here with the person's name and also the email ID that we had got. Now, since we are sorted with the trigger, we are going to work on our action, which is Zoho CRM here. I have to choose the required account first. Then the action that I'm going to perform from the available ones, I'm going to choose create contact here. Now it's the simplest thing that we have to do is just map the required fields. So the first name here we have, the last name, and the email ID that we have got over here. So now I'm just going to click on test interview since I've successfully mapped all the required fields. So yes, as you can see, the data has been successfully sent to Zoho CRM. Now is a perfect time to click on publish. So as you can see, the connect has been successfully published now. So this is the respective connect that we had just created. It's published. So we are going to go and see it once again. So now we have to check whether the booking that we just did on Book Like a Boss is added as a contact on Zoho CRM or not. So I'm just going to refresh the Zoho CRM page here. So yes, as you can see, I've got the person's name and the email ID that I just entered onto the Book Like a Boss appointment page. So once again, we are going to test this particular connect, whether we get everything right or not. So again, one more booking that I'll be doing is with this particular day and time. So I'm just going to book an appointment here. So I've successfully placed the booking appointment here. Now, according to the connect that we have, it's going to replicate as a contact onto the Zoho CRM here. So this is the contact list that I had just now. I'm again just going to refresh this page. So yes, as you can see, I've got the person's name and the email ID that I had just entered onto the Book Like a Boss appointment page. So that's how exactly we can work with these two applications, that is Book Like a Boss and Zoho CRM. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much.